What's up, guys?
Hey, y'all. So right now I'm just taking Zay's twist out.
I want
Video.
I'm gonna wash his hair. I'm gonna try to do it like a easy wash. And I'm gonna use conditioner and
What?
his hair growth afterwards.
Daddy.
I don't know what she's talking about. She's usually talking, don't she? So yeah, now that I'm done with taking the twist out, I'm gonna start combing it out when I get done. Even though the conditioner will loosen it up a little bit, but taking a comb and kind of easing the hair ain't tangled. It's just like when the twist been sitting there for a while, it's starting to get kind of knotted a little bit, and I want to get those out before his hair does get tangled up anyway. So if I loosen it, tangle it up a little bit, and put the conditioner and wash it, it should be easy to like really comb through.
I heard that. Daddy, I heard that.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
See how
Daddy,
easy that was just to
I
do?
heard that.
So I used to section his hair off part by part and then comb it out, but since I'm not really doing anything to his hair right now besides just combing and washing it, I'm gonna just do what I can, and then after I wash it, that's when I'm gonna like separate it into different parts. I'm just trying to get all the tangles at the top out. See that, baby? See that? Just like, but it's gonna be better once I wash your hair though. Now I'm gonna go get some water so I can pour some water in his head and kind of rinse, do what I gotta do. And then we'll be back.
She combing it out now, y'all.
Y'all, it's washed,
on my
it's
face.
clean.
Yeah.
It's washed, it's clean, and it's like, now all we need to do is just buy some more hair dye
Yeah.
and dye hair because it's starting to get dark again. Y'all, baby, ever since he dyed his hair, he don't like his natural hair come back. He likes that to be dyed all the time. But that's okay. I mean, it's gonna be different, right?
Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. I like my hair dyed too. I just don't like doing it too much because it pulls my hair out sometimes. I don't like that. But your hair though, the dye never really did into your hair. It didn't never mess it
I
up.
ain't never really messed my head.
That's good. There you go.
How you guys doing on me? It's a wonderful day. I hope you guys having a motivational day. She just washed my hair out. Thank you, babe. But I hope you guys having a motivational day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal. Keep pushing through every day. Make every day the most incredible day that you can. Try to get through the hard times, the tough times, the grind times. Even when you feel like you going down a dark road, always pick up your feet and keep running and running and running and running till you get to your goal. Because it's about you. It's not about nobody else. It's about you. Keep fighting. But always, always motivate the people around who help you on a daily basis. Keep going, keep fighting out your journey, and make your life more inspiring every day. Make every day a motivational day. Make every day a sunny day. Make every day a laughable day. And y'all see it in the next clip. Peace. Or Cora in the next clip. Peace. What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? This late, right? I hope you guys are having a good night tonight. Hope you still grinding, even it's nighttime. No matter what time of day it is, you grind until you can't no more. But even when you can't feel like you can't do it, still do it. Still improve yourself in life and the day, in the evening, in the morning time, in the afternoon. Keep grinding, keep it being the best person you can be. Love yourself. Love yourself. You gotta always love yourself before you can love anybody else. Love yourself, no matter what. Keep putting the time in the day. Keep grinding, no matter what the circumstances is. You gotta always put your all into everything if you really want to do something in life. You gotta give up something. You gotta motivate yourself. You gotta stand and believe in your moments and believe in yourself and believe in your self-improvement, your mind, your ability to wake up every day to do the same stuff and repeat it and repeat it and repeat it and repeat it. But that's what your routine is. Whatever your routine is, draw that every day or draw that on the mirror and always motivate yourself. Always motivate yourself by drawing something else you want in life too on the mirror, so you can always wake up to that and it'll motivate you more every day. And if you like this video, give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when an Honor Family upload our next video. Peace.